In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save money with promo codes for MoneyGram. Let's delve into finding the best deals and applying them efficiently during your transactions. Promo codes are like hidden gems that can offer you significant discounts if you know where to look. The first step involves a quick online search. Using search engines, type in phrases such as latest MoneyGram promo codes or MoneyGram discount codes. You'll likely encounter several websites dedicated to compiling and frequently updating these codes. Always make sure to check the date or terms attached to the codes to ensure they're still valid and suitable for your specific needs. This little extra effort can potentially save you a lot of money over time. Moving on, subscribing to MoneyGram's newsletter or checking their social media can be incredibly beneficial. Companies often reward their subscribers and social media followers with exclusive deals and promo codes. By subscribing to MoneyGram's newsletter, you're not only updated with their latest offers, but you also receive special promotions directly in your inbox, making you among the first to know. Similarly, following MoneyGram on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram allows you to get real-time updates on promotional activities or flash sales they might have. Keeping an eye on these resources can truly make a difference in maximizing your savings. Now let's focus on applying the code during payment, a crucial part of the process. When you're ready to make an online transaction, proceed as you normally would until you reach the payment section. Here, you should spot a box labeled promo code, discount code, or something along those lines. Carefully enter the code you found, ensuring there are no typos or extra spaces, as this could lead to the code not being recognized. Once you've entered the code, look out for a deduction in the total amount. This indicates the successful application of the code. If for any reason the code doesn't work, double check its validity and any specific terms. It might have expired or might not apply to the type of transaction you're attempting. A brief word on patience and persistence. Hunting for promo codes can sometimes feel like a hit or miss endeavor. Patience and a bit of creativity are essential, as not every code will work every time. However, the savings you can achieve make it well worth your while. This is all part of a strategic approach to smart spending that can help stretch your financial resources further, a valuable skill in today's economy. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well equipped to take advantage of promo codes for MoneyGram and enjoy some budget-friendly transactions. Don't forget to bookmark the websites you find most useful, keep subscribed to newsletters, and stay on top of social media updates. Thanks for watching and happy saving.